How's it going, YouTubers? I just got off work and I'm gonna go head out and check out Mike's new wrap. Got a phone call. Well, actually, I got some Snapchats last night of it being completed. So I'm gonna meet up with the two of them and see if we can get some footage of it and check it out. So check out that intro. Folks, thanks for tuning in. Again, like I said, we're going to meet my buddy Mike to check out his new charger. Show you how the new printed wrap came out. It's gonna be first of kind around here. It's first one Matt's done at Precision Wraps. And we're gonna check it out, see what it looks like, see if it's something I might want to do in the future. But Mike's a fantastic guy. He really wants some video of his car. I'm actually going to meet right outside of Hendersonville, North Carolina. We're gonna jump onto the Blue Ridge Parkway, see if I can get some drone shots, get some really cool pano shots. We'll see how it turns out. But its unveil will actually be at Misperceptions Back to Basics opening night. That's April 6th. If you don't know who they are, please check my Facebook, check my Instagram. It's a great meet. It's gonna be at Anderson Motor Speedway, and they do a fantastic meet where you actually get to be out on the track. They'll have a lot of fun events, a lot of vendors. Precision Wraps will be there with the cars, as well as One Stop Auto Shop, the place I personally go get my car worked on, as well as Zach Dynamic Detailing. So all of them will be together. So all three at one point have touched my car. So go check them out and see Mike's car. So stay tuned and I'll get y'all some shots. Looks fucking good.
Appreciate it, man. I don't know how you're gonna post any of these things up on YouTube.
They say that.
You know they don't allow nudity and your face is naked.
Oh, dude, that looks so good.
Dude, oh, you haven't seen it, have you?
All I saw was the pictures, dude. That is awesome, man.
I appreciate it, man. We're gonna break the internet.
So we're going back down the hill. I want to say why.
You're not about to see us.
Yeah, there we go. We disappeared. There you go. Look, night vision.
Oh my gosh. It was like the worst time to start filming.
Yeah,
I have my sunglasses on. I can't see anything in this tunnel. Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, folks. There is light at the end of the tunnel.
Literally. Pun intended, obviously.
Alright, there it goes. Alright, so we're going back down the mountain. We're only about 8 miles up the mountain, right? About roughly?
Yep.
You would say? Why are we going back down the mountain, Matt?
Well, V8 problems. We're on E. We are literally in neutral, coasting down this mountain.
And we're actually about to get mad at this truck behind us because they're going to slow us down, or in front of us.
Killing our momentum, man.
And now we're going to have to jump it back and drive to get back down the mountain.
It says it's 30 minutes away from the nearest gas station, and we are literally on the Red Needle.
Yeah, we're on the Red Needle.
We're not making this.
We may have to do a video of us pushing the car.
Well, this guy's about to screw us.
If he screws us too bad, I'm just going to throw something and he can drag us the rest of the way.
That's true.
But,
it's not good.
No, it's not good. It's not looking good for us at all, so...
And we filled this thing... Well, we didn't fill it up. I'm exaggerating. We definitely put $25 worth of gas. It does take, 93, which I think is like $3 a gallon now. But even still, we filled this thing up for the most part before we got up here.
Yeah, we both got gas. We both got gas.
His is still good?
Yeah, I'm not even off of full yet.
Really?
Now, yeah, I'm not even off full yet.
Gosh.
Now, I probably need to add oil to my gas station.
Oil and coolant?
Yeah, I need to add, so apparently, my little fixes that I did on my last channel, they have actually done extremely well. But the problem is now going uphill, doing. I mean,
we were pushing.
We was pushing to get some good shots, and for me to keep from getting ran over.
How was they gonna run you? I was just pushing you.
Yeah. He was a little nudge.
Little love tap on the rear end.
Yeah, just a little love tap.
No
so, we
homo.
can get some good. We can get
It's
some
only
good
game
footage.
balls touch.
Well, let's just say we got some good footage, but I'll probably need a quart of oil and
About 70 gallons of gas.
we need about 70 gallons of gas. We should get one of those little spare tanks.
Need one of this thing.
Mike, I don't know what you've done to this thing, but
She's drinking some gas.
she thirsty. And on top of that, my gimbal is all flipping out over here. Look at that. It's flipping out because as you turn...
Flipping out because your face is naked and you shaved your beard.
Hey.
It's trying to blur your face.
It's blur... Hold on, we're about to go dark again.
And there it is.
And you can no longer see us.
It still sounds good though.
There's the light of the tunnel right there.
Oh my gosh. It should say check gas, not check light.
Oh, dude, it is actually funny. I've missed
I
hanging.
say that after we walk down this mountain.
Dude, I'm round. I'm gonna roll down this mountain. Apparently, my gimbal is not loving the turns because as it turns, watch it like all flips out.
What?
Well, what it is it's the
The tracker.
well, it's not the tracker. It's the I guess when you go to tilt and roll, it's not liking it.
Picking up some cheese.
It's picking up some G's in the turn, even though we're in neutral.
Doing 30 miles an hour.
Currently, yes.
Hey, well, the plus side is this is what we pulled out. So, and there's
Is that
the
what
light
she said?
mark, So, yeah, nice. We did that.
I didn't do nothing. There's nothing on film.
Yeah,
It wasn't me.
tag's not in it, so we're good.
There you go. Now, right now, we're only doing about 30 miles an hour. But when we hit this hill, y'all better all watch out because we got all like 5 tons of this thing.
This is the land yacht.
Dude, that's gonna be the only problem is I'm gonna turn around and if we do have to push it,
Oh, you're screwed.
do you realize how heavy this is gonna be?
Yeah, you're gonna have a hernia.
Oh yeah.
But I will say, for as heavy as this car is, with all the suspension work done, I mean, it's fully built petty garage transmission, all kinds of stabilizer bars, canards, I mean, all the aero. This thing actually feels very planted.
It does. I mean, I've been in it, and even though we haven't been pushing it because we really are trying to get to a gas station, that's not a lot, folks.
We're just coasting.
Just coasting with not any type of load on it, it actually handles and feels very planted. I had no time to think that it's going to kick out.
No,
So, I mean, good job, Mike.
absolutely.
And we're going to go to the left.
This is where that kick out in the road is on the other side, right
Then
there.
we'll go to the right. It's really actually kind of fun with not having
We're
any
doing
gas.
70.
Yeah, well, you realize how big this thing is, right?
Here it is.
You put 5,000 pounds
Downhill.
downhill, it's gonna get some momentum.
Oh, it's got momentum. Very impressed with how this car handles.
Yeah, no, I mean it is definitely a lot better than I thought. I thought I was gonna get in this thing and I was gonna look for the old shit bar since I got in.
You don't have one, so.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't have one, so it's just basically it is what it is.
But did you die? That's all what you always have to ask yourself. But did you die?
My question is it over? It's kind of difficult for you to see me anyway. So as soon as we get down, I will check back in with you.
Now, as soon as we get down, we're going to show you this needle.
Yeah, as soon as we get down, I'll show you the
We're
needle.
going to show you the gas light on that we were not lying.
Yeah, this is actually gonna be pretty funny. All right, folks. YouTubers. So you've got to see the wrap. Let me know what you think below. Let me know if you think I should do something similar. My wrap's coming up on 4 years old. It's about time to change it or make some. I either need to repair the wrap I've got or make some changes. So I'd like to know what you think. Again, if you haven't already liked or subscribed or followed this, please do and share it. And if you want to see the car in person, it's going to be at April 6th. It is going to be at Anderson Motor Speedway. It is going to be hosted by Misperception. It's their Back to Basics event. Their season opener, April 6th. And you go up there and see Michael Lucchese's vehicle in person. It's going to be showcased there as a display vehicle. And if you haven't followed him, please do. I'll put down his Instagram below. I want to say it's SCC_192 or 1992, something like that. I'll make sure it's down below. But give him a follow, help support him. He's a great guy. And thanks for watching this channel. And have a good one. Thanks, folks.